Hi, I'm Brian Henderson, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable and use the new pickup and delivery features found within Watch-Fold POS. We'll begin by going to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and going to Store Settings. Once we're on the Store Settings page, we'll click the Delivery tab. I'll select Enable Pickup and Delivery Service for the store to turn it on. Now that we have pickup and delivery enabled, we can create as many routes and time slots as we need. You can see I've already created a few for this example video. Now let's go through a few examples of how to create pickups and deliveries. We'll go to the menu icon in the top left corner and go to the delivery page. This is the delivery page, and you can see on the calendar on the left days that we already have scheduled events. I'm going to create a new pickup. I'll search for my customer or add a new one if I need to. I'll enter his address. Now let's say that George wants us to pick up on Monday and deliver on Wednesday. I'll select a route or choose a custom time. And let's say he's got 2 bags to pick up. If I wanted to, I can add delivery notes, such as gate codes, and order notes, such as how he wants his laundry done. If I wanted to, I could create a recurring event so that we could pick up every week or every other week, or after a certain number of occurrences, or end on a certain date. Now let's pretend it's the morning of Monday the 18th. I'm about to hit the road, and before I do, I'll select all these orders and mark them as confirmed. I can also sort this list. If I have any unassigned orders that are not part of any route, I could simply click Sort, then drag and drop them into the appropriate route. If I wanted to, I could click Optimize to have the most efficient route automatically chosen for me, or I can drag and drop to rearrange the order of these pickups and deliveries. I'm done sorting, and now I can click the print icon to print off a paper version for the delivery driver, or I can view all these stops on a mobile device. Now that I'm on the road and I'm making pickups and deliveries, I'll select this order, and here we can see shortcuts to call the customer or text them, and even a link to GPS navigation to the customer's address from your current location. I can change the status of the order on the fly, such as when it's on the vehicle, or if we needed to mark it as canceled because we weren't able to pick up an order, we could do that too. Back at the store, we can see which orders were successfully completed, and we can then mark them as done. Please note that canceling one pickup event in a recurring series will not affect future scheduled pickups for this customer. When you're ready for your staff to create orders from the pickups you've made, they can do so from the Register page, where they'll see the list of pickups with the status of done. For more information on creating orders and processing orders, please refer to our other tutorial videos. If you'd like to create a delivery from an existing Watch-Fold order, you can easily do so by clicking the Deliver Order button. This concludes our tutorial for how to use the new pickup and delivery features of Watch-Fold POS. Thank you very much for watching.